Okay, I'm going to show you what to do in the morning in case my sub is really confused. So the kids are going to be playing a quizzes game, um, and it's through Google Classroom. So it's already there for them. So once they click on it, and it'll take them to the game. But before they get to the game, it'll have them come to this page before they start the game. And over on this left top corner, if they'll click the settings button, make sure that this button is clicked green beside read aloud. That way they can listen to the questions with their headphones because they're going to need to. So if y'all have questions, just text me or call me and I'll try to walk you through it. I even gave my sub my phone number, but it's pretty easy. But just in case my directions were confusing, that's how you do it. Thanks. Love y'all.